This spacious 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee gets an estimated 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle has comfortable seats, and is equipped with a responsive 3.7-liter 6-cylinder 12-valve engine, a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, and has the versatility of all-wheel drive. Its electronic features include an AM/FM stereo with a Sing-LE compact disc player, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system and a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption, and its range, based on its remaining fuel. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 disc brakes with 2 ventilated discs and both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.